Good evening, students, to all of you. Hope all of you are fine. So today, again, we will do some of the problems based on the chapter How Many Squares. Okay, so today the problem that I'm going to do, it's already given in your NCERT book, but here also I have drawn. You open page number 35, okay? When you will do this sum, you will just open page number 35 and you can get the question. Actually, the things that I have drawn here, these are the stamps. Okay, so the heading you will see, it's given in the NCERT book, measured stamps, and these are the picture of some stamps are given and you have to write down the answer of these questions. So here I have only drawn a rough diagram because stamps here I cannot draw it. So when you will go through this video, you will open page number 35. Again, I'm telling the heading. The heading is measured stamps. Measured stamps, and some stamps are given like this way: A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 stamps are given, and based on that, some questions are given. And this one is the previous one, so don't look at this one. Just we'll start from here. Okay, so let's start. So here you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 stamps are there, and all squares, all the single squares area is 1 centimeter square. Okay, all the squares area is 1 centimeter square. So let's start. So first question is, how many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? So this one is stamp A, and it is covering certain squares. So you have to answer how many squares of 1 centimeter does stamp A cover. So just calculate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 squares. So your answer will be 18. And stamp B. B also you have to calculate. This is stamp B. So you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here it's 8. Okay. Now, next question. Number 2. Which stamp has the biggest area? Now the area you have to count. Now obviously if you just open your NCERT book, and here also you can count, no problem. The biggest area we'll find here in stamp A, because it is covering 18 squares. Okay, 18 squares. So its area is 18 centimeters square. So which stamp has the biggest area? It will be stamp A. So your answer will be here A. Because here it's 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here 1, 2, 3, 6. 3 are 18 centimeters square. Okay, and if you count others, D, E, B, C, F, it is less than 18. So the highest area is of stamp A. Now next question is, how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? What is the area? Now what is the meaning of this? 1 minute, just. Okay, so the next question is, how many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Does this stamp cover means this one? This biggest area. So how many squares it is covering? And also the next question is, what is the area? Okay, my question I have written in the next page. So again and again I have to turn this page. Okay. So the first question is, again I'm telling, how many square of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Now this stamp cover means it is related to this previous question A. Which stamp has the biggest area? That is A. And how many square of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? This means here A. So how many squares? Here if you calculate, it's 18. And what is the area? 18 centimeters square. Because each square is 1 centimeter square. Total 18 squares are there. So area will be 18. So your answer will be, the first, your answer will be 18 squares. And what is the area? Area will be 18 centimeters square. Okay. Now listen, again and again, I am not turning this page. Whenever you will do these questions, open the NCERT book in front of you, look at the stamps and do it. So I'm just directly writing the answer here. You just open the book at the time of doing this question, okay? Now the question number 3. Which two stamps have the same area? Which two stamps have the same area? Now just open your book. And if you calculate which two stamps have the same area, you will see stamp D, A, B, C, D. Okay, D and stamp F, they have the same area. Why? Because if you count, you will see both stamp D and stamp F, they are covering 12 squares. So their area is 12 centimeters square. So which two stamps have the same area? It will be D and F. D and F, because both of them are covering 12 squares. And 3B question, how much is the area? So as I told, 12, so area will be 12 centimeters square. Both stamp D also 12 centimeters square, stamp F also 12 centimeters square. Okay. Number 4, the area of the smallest stamp. Now what is the area of the smallest stamp? So if you look at the question properly, the area of the smallest stamp is 4 centimeters square. Again, I am telling, whenever you are doing this question, open the NCERT book, because I am not turning the page. Okay, let me show you which one is the smallest area. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is the smallest area. Which stamp? Stamp E. Okay, so here answer will be 4 centimeters square. The last one, the difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp. Now obviously, which one is the biggest stamp? 18. This one. And which was the smallest stamp? This one. So what is the difference? Difference is 18 minus 4, which is 14 centimeters square. So your answer will be 14. Okay. So these are the 5 questions related to the stamp. Now one homework I am giving. Here I am not writing the homework because it is given in your NCERT book. I am just telling the page number. Do that homework. Just wait, let me see the page number. Okay, page number 43. Practice time. There are 2 questions. It's page number 43. This one, okay. There are 2 questions. Page number 43, NCERT book. There are 2 questions, 1 and 2. Do that in your copy and send to me, okay? Okay, today up to this much. Thank you.